Check out this quick video I'm going to make on TobenONE. It's a all-in-one docking station. The company did send it to me. I just want to go over a little bit about this actual docking station itself and show you a little bit about the IOs and what's in here. So what you can see here, we have a power button right here, really big power button. We have a green LED light that goes on, a USB-C 3.0. We have an 18-watt USB-C cable right here that goes right here, as you can see. You have an SD reader and a micro SD reader. Okay, you have 10 gigabit USB 3.2 ports right here. There's two of those, and one USB 2.0 port right here, and also one headphone jack that's right here. So this is just the front of it. Again, all aluminum construction, made very well. The bottom has a couple of nice feet, anti-slip, anti-scratch for your desk. Super important. In the back, you can see here display 1, display 2, display 3. So 3 displays for a Mac and also 4 displays for a PC. So you can do a quad setup if you want to. You can see HDMI 1, 2, 3, 4 HDMIs. And this is the DP1, DP2, which is displays. So you can do 2 displays, 4 HDMIs, another USB 2.0 port here. We got the host, which is a USB-C that connects in the back here, Ethernet cable, and a DC power supply that plugs into here that runs the whole thing. Fantastic. You download some software and it just works fantastic. This is the brick, power brick that does come with it as well. This is a 120 watt power brick. Show you that right there, 120 watt power brick that also comes with it as well. Of course, there's a power cable, and also it does come with the USB-C plug. So everything's all included in the kit. Fantastic. Again, well made. TobenONE is the name of the company. Here is the back. Here is the front again with all the IOs. You can see here. And here is the back again with all the IOs going out. Fantastic. All-in-one solution for your Mac or PC. Highly recommend this one. Thanks TobenONE for sending it to me to do a review. Have a great day.